Now, I see yesterday si Mira Rose nag-ask, nag-request to the mother mag-pray. So, si Tusalim mag-pray, the mother, yeah. So, si Tusalim mag-pray, yes. But it's important kasi the Bible is teaching us. For example, if you have problem and trouble yourself, you pray to God. Yes. And the second here in the Bible is teaching. For example, you have problem and trouble, you inform the pastor and then you pray. So that is both two. Yourself you can pray or you inform the pastor mag-pray. All the elder mag-pray, mag-ganyan-ganyan. So because yesterday si Mary Rose asked, so we will pray. Now one, I'm sorry kasi your mother, I don't know if he have Jesus wala. So sorry. I cannot pray nga mag-healing sa kanat. So sorry kasi if you have wrong and the sin, God punish that you will get sick. If you have wrong and the sin, God punish that you will die. Sito sila mag-pray, mag-stop no kanat. I can against God, I cannot. So I will pray for the mother ni Mary Rose, that the mother, I don't know, mag-met ng hearing or maybe si Mary Rose mag-teach about your mother that important dapat mag-ask kay Jesus for help. So how do you do that? First, you have to ask the mother. And then you teach. And then you pray. Yeah, it's like that. So si Tusalem, I'm sorry, I pray nga mother mag-heal. No, I'm sorry. That is not my purpose. No, it's not. My purpose that the mother will know and believe sa kay Jesus. I am not religion. I'm not so sorry. You copy, yung magganyan-ganyan, No, sorry, they are fake. Magganyan-ganyan at saka, no, sorry, that's not, sorry, no, it's different. So I pray for the mother ni Mary Rose that maybe other people, their friend that they're Christian, nga magganyan, nga magnet. And then the Christian nga hearing, mag-share ng word, that the mother mag-learn, that the mother will believe sa kay Jesus, that the mother will trust kay Jesus. Yes. And if God mag-add, mag-heal, it's fine, depending sa God. Okay? So that is, I have to explain para def mag-copy kayo ng religion, no? So sa rin purpose religion na, our purpose, we are honest. We copy dyan, nagaganyan-ganyan na they are fake. All of them are fake. They are not true. Okay? So, si Tusalim at the same, no, I'm different. Our purpose, the mother mag-know sa kay Jesus. Okay? And then, say that is important. That's what we pray.